Well, what's up here, Tricia? Looks like you've cleaned out your pantry.
Well, I did clean out the pantry. Not a bad idea for things to do.
Now, baby shampoo, how can any kind of shampoo help your plants?
Well, this is a mild baby shampoo and also mild detergent, dish detergent. These are two good ways to keep your plants clean.
Now, what kind of benefit, how can it keep
Well,
your plants healthy?
when plants are not clean, when they're dirty and dusty, the photosynthesis can't happen. The sun can't get through to the leaves. And another thing, especially if you use a spray bottle that's really nice, if you spray the plant underneath and all over, then the bugs really don't like the taste of it, and they also don't like the slight gumminess that sometimes the soap can leave.
Okay, actually that'd be a big advantage now.
Oh, yes.
Okay, tell me about the corn syrup. What are you about to cook something there?
Pecan pie? Well,
that sounds good.
Actually, corn syrup, molasses, and sugar are three products that you can mix with a little bit of water and put under your plant. And what it does is it helps build the chlorophyll in the soil and also helps with the good bacteria.
Well, I'm learning things today, but tell me about the cola. Now, I have a lot of cola left over around my house with my kids, and once it goes flat, they don't want anything to do with it.
Yeah, a lot of half cans
A
everywhere.
lot of those, yeah.
Well, gather them up, put them in some kind of bucket or pail, and pour it around your plant of your choice. Also, this helps with the bacteria. Now, plants, of course, are never on a diet, so make sure you don't use the diet kind of cola because it's lacking the sugar that is producing that bacteria for the plants.
Great ideas here.